Best evening, everyone. There are the glossary and the three physiology. Number one is cell membrane. Cell membrane is a slim layer of fat and protein that surrounds a cell. Number two is cell wall, a tough, rigid layer that surrounds a plant. That surrounds a plant cell. Number three is chloroplast. Chloroplast is a disc-shaped organelle containing chlorophyll. Number four is chlorophyll, a green molecules vital for photosynthesis. Number five is cotyledon, one of the first leaves of the embryo of a seed leaf. Number six is cristae, the folded membrane inside the mitochondria. Number seven is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is cells organelles outside of the nucleus. Number eight is colloidal solution, a stable and heterogeneous solution. Number nine is active transport. Active transport, a kind of transport wherein ions. Number 10 is ATP, stands for adenosine triphosphate. Number 11 is diffusion. Diffusion, the movement of molecules. Number 12 is diffusion. Diffusion pressure, the pressure exerted by the diffusing particles. Number 13 is emulsion. It's a mixture of two immiscible liquids. Number 14 is endosmosis. An endosmosis is osmosis movement of water. Number 15 is eukaryote, cells that count in a nucleus. Number 16 is gelation, conversion of hydrosols to gels. Number 17 is Golgi bodies, organelles found near the nucleus. Number 18 is hydrophilic colloid, reversible colloid like starch and water. Number 19 is hydrophobic colloid, inversible colloid like metallic colloids. Number 20 is imbibition, a phenomenon of absorption of water. Number 21 is imbibitancy, solid particles which imbibe water. Number 22 is eophilic, solvent heating. Number 23 is eophobic, solvent loving. 24 matrix, any colloid or gel-like substance. Number 25 is mitochondria, rod to spherical shape. Number 26 is molecule, an extremely small particle. Number 27 is nucleus, the brain of the cell. Number 28 is nuclear envelope, double membrane enclosing. Number 29 is phloem, the food conducting tissue of a vascular plant. Number 30 is solation, conversion of gas the soil. Number 31 is suspension. Unstoppable, heterogeneous solution. Number 32 is true solution. A homogeneous and stable mixture. Number 33 is vessel. A tube-like series of vessels, elements with open ends. Number 34 is vessels elements. Vessels elements is individuals, cells that melt up vessels. Number 35 is xylem. The water conducting tissue of a vascular plants.